give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks.
Muna po ako. Ano po pag na ako? Ha? Sorry yan. Basta pa.
Basta ka lang mo. Ano kaya belt ko? Iya. Sa dyan din. Tulungan ka na. Careful ba, mabubog ka. Macho, kaya mo na. Ilang minutes? Mahaba pa. Macho.
Nahilo ka ba?
Kasali siya sa national team. Ang pangalan niya? Ang hirap talaga pag mahina sa English eh. Macho, kaya niyo naman ba tayo kausapin?
Minsan po nag-public na kasi yung English ko.
Ba?
Public yung English ko sa ibang pronunciations.
Ubos?
Hindi.
Ano?
Nagiging root ng J.
J? Ano yung J?
Yung letter.
Ano?
Parang for example yung cookie. Huge cake.
Gwensana? Parang gano'n, Gwensana.
No, may with K.
Ako kakausap sa batang to. Ako tatanong.
Parang for example, cookie.
Bro,
Huge cake.
what's your name? What's your name?
Sa kami.
So, ano? It's too fast. You're one of the national team player. Why?
I didn't join the national. I didn't
Yeah.
join.
Why? You don't like it or universal national? Do you understand Tagalog? A little bit or ano?
I can't speak Tagalog, but I can understand it.
So both.
I can't speak it that much, but I can understand it.
Oh, sagot. Sagot na. Kayo magagaling niya. O yun, nagtagalog siya. Oh. So where do you live here? Where do you live here? Okay. I mean here in Santa Rosa also? Yeah.
Private stuff, it's private. The
City National. Ay,
Who's with you here? Parents or you?
my dad left. My mom's gonna pick me up.
So that your mom will pick you up later.
International State, National, Regional Capital.
If you take off your glass, you can see. No.
May grado yan.
Oo, may grado siya. Yo.
National.
Did you see us? If even you don't have eyes, eyeglass, blurry.
May mga 5 stages sa karate pa na. Yung sa pang-national. Una, city national. Second, state national. Third, regional national. For example, ang kalaban mo na yung ang team mo sa Rosa Laguna. Ang kakalabanan mo, Cavite. Next, country national. Ilalaban mo yung skills mo sa bansa mo. Kung na-qualified ka na sa pambansang national, yung pwede ka na maglaban sa isang bansa.
Grabe, dinugo ako. Dinugo ako. Nag-nosebleed ako. Wala. Nag-nosebleed ako. Kay kuya. Doon kay kuya. Siya, Sherman. Ano? Sherman? Ano name niya?
May ganito ka ba?
Wala. Ayun, natawag na kayo. Uy, mag-balik ka na. Uy, wait lang. Anong dadalhin ko?
Yung yan, at saka yan.
Bakit ka na sa'yo? Sabi na tayo ka. Alis mo na.